This dishwasher is probably about, I don't know, maybe 5 years old, I guess. But it has always made this noise. And it sounds, I don't know, I'm guessing it's like the drive motor or the pump maybe, the pump that's pumping water around. When I can hear it's filling with water, it's fine. But it's really... got that grinding noise. Maybe it's one of the left. I've taken off the pattern before, trying to see if I can figure out where the noise is really coming from. But let's go ahead and open it. See how long it'll take to turn back on. And here it comes. So, I think it'll eventually start back up and make all those noises again, constantly. There it goes. So, let me get the model number. Guess we should probably clean that up, huh? It's interesting. It doesn't seem to be blinking on the video like that. I mean, in real life, it's just a constant orange. It's interesting. So